Welcome back to Jessica's channel. It's raining, so we're gonna vlog that because I have nothing to do. So I'm just gonna open this. It's not supposed to be open, but I really don't care at this point. So you can't see it, but look at that. And then there's a sea, like somewhere there. It's like that line. It's really cold, so I'm kind of shaky. My hands are freezing right now. I'm wearing a jacket. Oh my god, did you see that? I didn't catch it, but dang, that'll be good. I'm staring at my screen while I'm doing this. Oh man. Thunder. Yeah. The mango! Oh no! The mango! Not the mango! There's a bunch more. There's one right there. There's a bunch in that room. There's some down there too. Let's focus on this. Focusing on this, Jessica. Not down there. I think you guys can see that. Okay, I can't see. Hey, open. Computer one's closed for this one. Is that a light? No, it's too small. I'm getting soaked. No! We're getting wet. No! I'm getting wet. My hands are freezing. Oi, 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 oi. No. Stop it. Look at this peacock. Right there. Peacock. Mango. Hanging from the tree. I'm gonna open the window now. Okay, where's that? Yeah, okay, the rain's coming down. You can see the stuff again. Oh, my hand is soaking. Well, not really soaking, but soaking. Some of my hands as well. Oh, you can kind of see the sea again, the ocean. It's right there. That big shit right there. That big shit right there. Then there's the mountain, and I saw a lightning strike right there. That was like 10 or 20 minutes ago. Right there. I think the other one that we saw struck somewhere over there, or maybe the same place. But you never know. Yeah, there's a little hand motion because you can't see my face. My hand is my face. My nails. Nope, that. So I thought that was gonna have a tornado, but ooh, look at the sky. Bitch. Biatch. Ooh, another one just struck somewhere over there. Another set of lightning just struck somewhere over there. I saw it with my eyes. What if I can zoom in a little more, but if I focus enough? I got my hand. Let's see how beautiful that is. There's no sun today, so there was some sun this morning. So thunder is coming. Block your ears, bitches. There, okay, just passed. It's not that strong. Okay, it's still going on. There's some cars passing. There's a road right there. So you see that building, that blue ass building? There's a road that comes down, then it brings you to this area. And I live on top of a mountain right now, so this is just my view from my window, my bedroom window. You see little houses down there. Is that a truck? Oh my god, it's moving. Oh my god. And it's too strange for a truck to be on the road. So many trees though. I want to catch some lightning. It's been 4 minutes. You can see the hill behind that hill. Yeah. Only if that tree was in the way, you'd see so much more stuff. I'm telling you. So sad. I'm gonna touch the water because I'm bored. Water. See more clear. There you go. Look at that cloud. Damn, maybe you fit. Oh my god. And my hand's soaked again. Because it's funny. This water is not drinkable, by the way, so don't ask me to drink it. It's not drinkable. It came from the roof, which is filthy dirty. Very much dirty. So very much so not drinkable. So don't ask me. But my hand. That's ugly. I'm seeing water. Oh my goddamn nails, man. What the hell? Ow, my arm. My arm hurts. Oh, the water's so cold on my face. I'm trying to turn the camera towards me. Hi. So cold. Okay, start back. That's enough of me. Okay, look at that right there. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. It's only been 6 minutes, but not like I care. I have nothing to do. I have to text my bestie because she's annoying me. Oh my god, it's so cool. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be in a few weeks, maybe. If I feel to vlog, I will. Okay, the rain just stopped, so I will see you guys later. Peace. I'm out.